Hello everyone, today we want to show our SIIG 4x4 HDMI 2.0 4K HDR Matrix Switch with cloud control. Part number CE-H24W11-S1. This product allows you to connect up to 4K HDMI source devices and independently distribute any source to any of the 4K HDMI displays with auto video scaling. You can pick which sources go on which displays, all showing the same content or all showing different content. The 4 sources are connected via an HDMI cable into the matrix box and 4 HDMI cables going out to their respective displays. Gaming system, Blu-ray player, PC, and Apple TV are all possible sources. There are 5 ways to control. You can control by Amazon Echo voice command. Alexa, open La La Land.
Welcome to the Entry Cloud. Please say commands.
Alexa, select Matrix.
You're controlling Matrix. Is there anything else?
Alexa, play Xbox on TV 1.
Xbox is played on TV 1. Is there anything else?
Alexa, play Xbox on all.
Xbox is played on all. Is there anything else?
You can also control by the cloud. Xbox to TV 1. Xbox to all. You can also control by remote, push button, and RS-232. This matrix will automatically scale down to fit your screen resolution from 4K to 1080p. This matrix is commonly used in game entertainment rooms, restaurants, bars, auditoriums, and classrooms. Thank you for watching.